Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the second week of our recorder lessons and Betty the dog wanted to say hello to you this week. Say hello to the children, Betty. Hello everybody. There we are, that's Betty. Next week we'll introduce Poppy to you if you haven't met Poppy already. Right, down you go, Betty. So hopefully you've had lots of time to practice the 5 notes that we learnt last week. Here they are as a reminder. We've got G, D, E, B, and A. Don't forget to put your left hand at the top of your recorder. Here we are, all for left. Follow the lines of your finger and thumb to make that L shape, and then that hand is the one that goes at the top of your recorder. Who can remember about fat, flat thumbs and fat, flat fingers? And then it stops all of the air getting through between the recorder and your finger, and it stops that awful squeak. So we're going to start off by playing the next bit of the tune. I'll play it for you first, and then we'll work out the notes. Now that's a very familiar part of Old MacDonald, isn't it? We know that bit is about the animal at the farm. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. But you can change the words in the song to suit your animal. You might want to have with an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink, if you've got a pig on your Old MacDonald's farm. So although we're using the same notes as last week, our G, D, E, B, and A, the notes are in a different order. Some notes are quicker than other notes. I'll play the first bit. Then press pause while you have a practice. And press pause. Then we play the same bit again. And we hold that note for slightly longer. Listen again. You try. The next bit is the here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. And it goes like this. It's all on one note and it's all on G. G, remember, is 3 fingers at the top. Thumb on the back, 3 fingers at the top. Make sure it's that left hand. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. You need to remember to keep that tongue really out of the way so that when you're just using your teeth and your lips. And then the last bit of the song is right back to the beginning again. It's what we learned last week. And no matter which animal you choose for your farm, that last bit's exactly the same every time. So now, with a lot of practicing and pressing pause a lot probably, we're ready to try from the beginning. So from the beginning of last week's lesson, we're going to play right the way through Old MacDonald, but we'll take it slowly. I'll play a bit and then press pause to stop while you practice. So starting with G, that's 3 fingers on the top, we're going to play Old MacDonald. Press pause to practice that. B, B, A, A, G. Press pause to practice. And on that farm he had some ducks. D, G, 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 D, E, E, D. D, G, 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 D, E, E, D. And on that farm he had some ducks. Press pause to practice that phrase. And now we're getting on to this week's part. It's a little faster, remember? We're starting with our bottom D, that's 6 fingers on the recorder. Make sure you've got no holes, fat flat fingers and a fat flat thumb at the back. That's the note you're looking for. Press pause while you practice that bottom D. Can you practice that part over and over? And next we have a lot of G's. Some are fast G's and some are slow G's. Or, and it's for the words of here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Let's try that rhythm. Let's try clapping it. Press pause while you have a go. And then at the very end, we go back to the beginning of the tune. For old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's have a practice of that last part. Your turn. And at the very end, we're going to hold the last G for 3 notes, like this. And off. Your turn. Press pause. Now have a listen as I play Old MacDonald Had a Farm all the way through. See if you can put your fingers over the notes as I play. I'll play it really slowly for you, but don't blow, and that way you can use your ears to listen really carefully as I'm playing very slowly. Okay, we're going to count in for 4 at the beginning because it makes it easier to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it is at the right speed. This is what we're aiming to get to by lots and lots of practice. Now these videos are going to stay up on YouTube and on the school website for a long time, so you'll have lots of chances to practice it to get it up to speed, remembering it's only 5 notes that you need to learn. Here it is at the right speed. I hope you enjoy learning the tune of Old MacDonald, and don't forget to email me if you've got any questions at all. See you next week for a new tune. Bye bye.